Navratna's numerological channel. This video is basically to know about the depth of Losho grid. As you know, how Kundali is important in astrology, similarly, Losho grid is called a numerological Kundali. So, to know the Losho grid, please stay tuned. First, the Losho grid name itself reveals that it is a Chinese numerology, and you are right. This is a Chinese numerology, and it was founded 4,000 years ago. Very old. Now, how it was founded? It was founded by King of China, the first emperor, whose name is Hu of Shai. And it was during the ancient times when there were heavy floods, even frequent floods in the river. The river name was Hong Ho. And because of the heavy flood, one day king thought of going near the river for construction of a bridge or construction of some block so that it can be controlled. Working on the river, king found tortoise shell with the number grid as displayed. As you know, during ancient time, Chinese believed the shell of tortoise is a blessing and auspicious, and they themselves were aware about this, as in their mythology it is considered God's blessings and presence of God. So during from that tortoise shell, this grid, that is this table, is derived. Now Losho grid itself in China meaning is magical square. So as you know this square, you can see this grid, it was in this form, as this numerological form. So this numerological chart is called Losho chart. So as you know, the significance of this is when you add this in any direction, that is when you add this horizontally, that 4 plus 9 plus 2, it gives you 15. Even if you vertically add it, 4 plus 5 plus 6, it will give you 15. So if you add any row horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally, you will get 15. This 15 is nothing but the difference between the full moon and the new moon day. Understand what is Losho grid? See, Losho grid is also called as a Lakshmi Yantra, as both are same. In India, Lakshmi Yantra is having the same magical square with same combination. Now we'll understand each number and the block very thoroughly. As in Chinese mythology also, they believe in 5 elements, that is fire, water, metal, wood, and earth. So this every number will have their respective elements, respective directions, and respective attributes, that is respective qualities. Now we'll go each by each, that is we'll understand each number thoroughly. First, number one, as you know, is represented by sun, as we have learned this in earlier chapter. It also signifies north direction. The element for it is water, and the attribute or qualities of number one is carrier and planning. Now number two, as you know, number two is of planet moon. Direction associated with is southwest. The element is earth, and the attribute, that is qualities, are marriage, relationships, etc. Now number three is of Jupiter, as you know, and it is having the direction east. The element is wood, and what attribute it gives? It gives health and family. Number four, as you know, is ruled by Uranus or Rahu. The direction is southeast. The element is wood. The attribute is wealth and prosperity. Number five is of Mercury. Number five position is Brahmastan, that is center. The element associated is earth. It gives strength and stability. These are the attributes of number 5. Similarly, number 6 of Venus. The direction related to Venus is northwest. The element is metal, and the attributes are friends and helpful people. Number 7 is of Ketu or Neptune. So direction is west. The metal element is metal, and the attributes are creativity and children. It also gives intuitive qualities. Now number eight is of Saturn. So Saturn is the direction is northeast. The element is earth, and the attribute, that are qualities, are knowledge and wisdom. And last is number 9, and number 9 is of Mars. The direction is south, the element is fire, and the attributes are energy and fame. This is very important chart. We learn what are types of yogas in this Losho grid. How many types of yogas are present in Losho grid and what are they? What they signify? You can see from this chart, that is box, this upper line is called mental plane. This is because, as if we consider this as a body, the top view, the top face is of head. So this combination, that is 492, the upper combination is called mental plane. What does it give? See, the mental plane signifies your intelligence. It also signifies your memory. It gives you lot of imagination. Such type of people who has 492 in their chart will have a very logical mind, and it is also seen that this 492 will give you mental shrewdness. Such type of people will be very sharp minded. This line is at center, that is, if you consider this as a body, this will be your heart line, or you can say emotional line. So that is why it is called emotional plane. So those people who have this number, these all three numbers, will be have very good, as a person they will be very good person. They will be, you can say, generous person. They will have a lot of popularity. They will have charm in their personality. So it is actually shows you that these people will be very intuitive. They will have a lot of sixth sense also, which has been seen. Anchoring box to be a body, you can just imagine this will be a part of a leg, or you can say this is a part of a lower body. So this is why it is called a physical plane, as this type of people who is having these all three number in their chart will be actually very practical people. They will be very, very hardworking people. They will utilize their legs, that is, they will utilize their lot of physical strength to, complete the things. They will be committed people. So they will not be very imaginative. They will try complete things in very practical way. So now, considering this to be a body, this plane, that is this right-handed plane of yours, is called an action plane. So those people who have all these three number in their numerological chart will be very much good in decision making. Their action will be very rapid. Their response will be very agile, and even their implementation of thought, decision making, and quick action. All such things is been seen from this action plane. This plane is called a wheel plane. So those people who have all these three number in their numerological chart will be very much determined people. They will have lot of courage, and they will have lot of willpower. It shows lot of commitments, and it also shows consistency. Now this plane is called a thought plane. So those people will have, if who is having this 4, 3 and 8 in their chart, they will have basically all these qualities. So thought plane in the sense, it reveals the such person will be a very detailed person. They will be a clever thinker. They will not complete the task simply. They will think over the task, or they will think about the subject. Then only they will try to complete it. So such type of people are, people who will have that shrewd or detailed thinking. Diagonal yoke, that is this diagonal plane, is a Rajyog in the form of numerology. So those people who are having this 852 is called silver line, or you can call it as a silver Rajyog. So those people, you can say some people who are born with a silver spoon can be identified with this yoga. So those people who having all these three number in diagonal form, they are people who will have lot of properties. They will have lot of support. As you know, this 852 all is an earth element. So such type of people will have lot of fixed asset in life. They will be a person who will have lot of knowledge, and they will overall will be very happy. Such type of people do very well in the construction field, real estate field, and they may possess multiple properties or multiple fixed assets. This diagonal yoga, that is 4, 5, 6, is a topmost yoga in numerology. It is called golden line yoga. This yoga can take a person to heights. Such type of person, even born in a lower family or lower uh, class, can rise or go to the highest level. They shine with an instant growth. So the growth time is also quick. So such type of people will have huge cars, they will have huge luxuries, they will have jewelries, their network will be very strong, and they will have huge monetary gains and huge bank balance and properties. Next video, we will learn each yoga with example of well-known celebrities, what yogas made them shine in their respective field and how numerology helped them. Please stay tuned. Thanks friends for watching this channel. I hope you like the information which I have shared. In case you have liked the information, please do hit like button and do subscribe. Thanks for watching.